Since its launch in 1986, GMI Construction Group has grown to become one of the UK's leading building and construction service providers. We have a reputation for delivering award-winning projects for an international portfolio of clients. GMI is one of the largest owner-operated construction service companies, operating across the northeast of England and the Midlands. At one of the new Freeport areas incorporating East Yorkshire, we are working with Siemens Mobility to construct its £200 million train manufacturing factory. A great example of our commitment to levelling up the northern economy.
What's most impressed me about GMI is the quality of the staff, their friendliness and their ability to work with us when we've impacted them in both variations, costs and the issues of ecology that we've had on the site in regards to great crested newts and gaining access to areas. They've all been proactive in trying to meet the best of the client.
What's really impressed me about GMI is the fact that they are committed to completing the project on time to the correct quality and ensuring it's completely safely run. And they have listened to us, we've listened to them, and we've got the product we want, and it's all been done safely.
With an annual turnover of £300 million plus, GMI is a debt-free business, having posted a profit every year of our 35-year history. GMI is highly experienced in the design and construction of industrial and manufacturing facilities and has been recognised with 11 successive ROSPA Gold Awards for health and safety excellence, while Insider Media named us Contractor of the Year 3 times in a row. We are proud to be a socially and environmentally accountable business with a significant presence in local communities. For example, we have built numerous prominent buildings in the northeast and have opened offices in Chesterley Street and Teesside. We are dedicated to using local labour and subcontractors, and each of our projects benefits from a bespoke employment and skills plan.
As with all our construction projects at GMI Construction, we've committed to tapping into local initiatives, local educational establishments, and also providing educational visits from schools, colleges, universities, and following up on those educational visits with technical workshops. We're also looking at providing university placement, stroke college placements, working on this facility throughout its programme of construction.
Audits of recent large projects demonstrate that more than 80% of those working on site live in the immediate area, making a significant contribution to the local economies. Here are just some of the notable projects involving GMI. Siemens Mobility, Thorn Lighting, Symphony Kitchens, Vantech, CSAM at IAMP, Caterpillar, Aflex Hose, Tesco Fradley Park, Bottling Plant for MEG Group, Rolls-Royce, GMI. 35 years of excellence in the industrial and manufacturing sector.